Hello mga ka-house! Ako po si Myra Reyes, ang accredited salesperson from Yesland Realty. Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na no down payment? 30k cash out lang, may bahay ka na. Yes po. Dito lang yan sa Agapeya Towns, Calamba, located at Mahada Out, Calamba, Laguna. Mabilis ang approval. 2-story twin homes, complete amenities, secured gated community at flood free. With license to sell, number 1895. Ang lot area natin ay 70 square meter at ang floor area natin ay 50 square meters. Ang house features natin ay a ground floor with vitrified tiles, kitchen with countertop and base cabinet, complete toilet and bath, sliding door going to carport, steel stairs and well ventilated. Ang second floor natin ay provision for 3 bedrooms, no wall partition, provision for 3 aircons with ceiling made of Hardiflex and floor are ready to receive tiles. So makikita natin well ventilated yan. Others provisions are 2 carport. So yan guys, ito yung po yung dress up unit ng Agapeya. So yun guys, sa may gusto, tara, usap tayo.